This is how you make one of the best mutton pulao. Hey Salam, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making mutton pulao. I'm gonna serve it with a really nice mint coriander sauce. Trust me, you're gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. First of all, we're gonna start by preparing our rich mutton stock. It with the mutton along with the bone, half an onion, fresh ginger garlic paste. For the spices, I'm using coriander seeds, black peppercorns, black cardamom, some of the cassia bark. Don't want to complicate it too much, just want to extract all the flavor from the mutton. And finally with a good touch of salt. And now you want to cover this with water. How much water you're gonna use really depend on how much rice you are using.
Perfect.
Now turn up the heat to on medium, and you want to let this cook until the mutton is nice and tender. This should roughly take an hour 30 minutes to cook. Don't forget, we're also gonna steam the mutton later, so we don't want it falling apart. Now while that's cooking, let's prep our other ingredients for the pilau. Let's start with the tomatoes. You want to thinly slice into long pieces. First just cut it in the middle, and now just thinly slice it lengthwise. Using your one lemon, you want to thinly slice it along with the skin. You also want to roughly chop some of the fresh mint, and also some of this fresh coriander along with the stems. Of course, make a paste of ginger, garlic, green chili. Ginger and garlic is what really adds a depth of flavor to our pilau. Here I'm using some of the bullet chilies and long thin green chilies. Light touch of water so we can blend this. For the spices, I'm using here bay leaves, coriander and cumin seeds, black and green cardamom, some of the black peppercorns. You want to toast and blend these. We will check and add the salt later. Remember, we have already used some of the salt in the stock. For a little bit more heat, we're using red chili flakes, some of the garam masala. We're going to enhance the flavor with a bit of the MSG, and finally some of this biryani masala. For the rice, I'm using here aged basmati. You want to soak them in water for at least 25 to 30 minutes, and then wash a few times to remove the excess starch and drain off the excess water. Grab yourself a bowl with some of the tamarind, and in that we're gonna add some of the dried plums. It's gonna add a bit of the sourness, tanginess, a bit of sweetness as well. They both provide different flavor profiles. Now leave them soaked in water for at least half an hour or until they are nice and soft. Always make sure to skim off any fat if there is any. Alright, so the mutton should be ready by now. Let's check this. Bismillah. Perfect, that's exactly what we're looking for. Mutton is nice and tender, but it's not falling apart. That's exactly what we're looking for. Now we're going to separate the stock from the meat and remove all those onions. Let's grab everything. We're also going to use some of these 3 whole green chilies and some of this natural yogurt. Make sure to whisk this up so it's nice and smooth. And finally our rice are ready to use. Alright, let's get cooking now. I'm so excited for this. Turn up the heat to on medium. In the same pan, add a good touch of oil and let them get nice and hot. Cooking this pilau is a bit different than the other pilau recipes. When nice and hot with our tomatoes, lemon slices. Now you want to lightly saute these. Here with our ginger, garlic, green chili paste. A light pinch of salt. Now you want to mix and cook the rawness of the ginger garlic. You want to give it around 2 minutes. Now going in with our mutton. Bismillah. You can always deglaze with a touch of stock if needed. We want to mix and brown that mutton a little, yeah?
Panic boom!
This process is gonna add more flavor, you know, along with our ginger, garlic, green chili and tomatoes. We're going to add the spices in a bit, not right now. Wow, just look at that. So mouth-watering. Perfect time to add in our yogurt. A really good mix to that. Make sure to mix it properly so everything is emulsified. Now let this cook until you start to see the oil separate. And now we're gonna add in our dried plum and tamarind mixture. We're adding layers of flavor in this pilau. It's gonna be so delicious, trust me. You want to give it around a minute. Oh, just look at that. And now in with our stock. Bismillah. Look how rich that is. So beautiful. Our whole green chilies. Our spices. Bismillah. A really good mixture of that, and bring it to simmer now. One of the best pilau that you guys gonna try, trust me. Also, this is the best time to check for any salt. That's perfect. So it has started to simmer. I'm just gonna throw in the rice. Bismillah. The quality of basmati rice that you use is very important. Some of the companies, they try to cheat you and use a bad quality one, which ends up the rice being very mushy and they don't hold their shape. A really good mix to that. Try not to break the rice. Mix it gently. Turn up the heat to around medium-high. Now we want to let this cook until there is some water left. You can see the rice has slowly started to absorb the water. I'm just going to partially cover it. Let's check this and give this a good mix again. We can see the rice has slowly started to absorb the water. Exactly what we are after. Perfect time to throw in our coriander and fresh mint. If you were to add the coriander and mint earlier, it will lose all the beautiful aroma. So this is the perfect time to throw this in. Mix again. Oh, just look at that. The aroma is amazing. So beautiful. Make sure to clean off the sides properly. You want to make sure all the water is escaped to the bottom. Now when there's some water left, I like to throw in some of the cumin seeds on the top. Just a little bit. Gonna be amazing. Just gonna gently mix it on the top. Also, now is the perfect time to steam off our rice. Place a clean kitchen cloth on the top, place your lid, and you want to let the rice steam for around 20 to 25 minutes on a low heat. For a quick mint coriander chutney, with the fresh coriander and mint, 2 of the green chilies, good pinch of salt, juice of half a lemon, light touch of water, and blend this. Nice and smooth, that's exactly what we're looking for. Now with the natural yogurt, a really good mix to that. Have a little taste and adjust anything if you need to. A very simple mint coriander sauce. Done. Alright guys, our rice should be done by now. Let's check this. You can see it has beautifully steamed, all the droplets have formed on the top and it's very hot to touch. So that's exactly what we are after here. Carefully open this. Bismillah. Just turn off the heat. Wow, the rice look absolutely beautiful. So delicious. Add a light touch of oil from the cooked onions. Some of the food color, which is totally optional. And finally some of these fried onions. Just carefully fluff these up. Perfectly cooked rice. That looks so mouth-watering. So delicious. Oh, these smell so good. Trust me, you guys gonna really enjoy with your family and friends. Alright, let's plate up our rice now. Bismillah. Beautiful mutton just here. A bit more crispy onions on the top. And some of the sauce. Garnish it with some of the fresh lemon and coriander. Our delicious Hyderabadi Mutton Pulao. Done. It looks so delicious. One of the best pilau that you guys gonna try. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks so delicious. Add a bit more sauce on the top. I love to serve the Hyderabadi Pulao with some of the crispy onions on the top. It has a really nice texture to it. Bismillah. You can also serve the Pulao with some of the salad if you like. Wow. So delicious. Oh, these are paired with so much flavor. A light sweetness from those onions, a bit of the sourness from the lemon, a bit of the tanginess. This pilau is so refreshing on your palate. Has a really nice rich mutton flavor. Let's try some of the mutton now. Bismillah. If you were to ask me what's my favorite recipe after biryani, it has to be this pilau. Wow, I'm just lost for words, you know. It is so tasty, you know. Cooked to perfection, like I said. You guys gonna absolutely love this pilau, trust me. I really hope you guys will enjoy this recipe with your family and friends. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure subscribe, make sure like, and shall see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.